Alright, what's up guys? Quick tutorial here on how to make yourself the video presenter in these videos. Now this is not necessary, okay? You don't have to do this, obviously, but a lot of you I know will be interested in doing this and sort of leveraging it as your own personal brand asset. Now personally, I think all you really need to do, if you hate dealing with technical stuff, is replace module 00, okay, which is just the presenter giving an overview of what's going to be included in the course, okay? That's usually about 45 to 60 seconds long. And just replace that. That way you don't have to do any actual editing. And then the fact that you've got a quick presenter at the beginning of every other lesson, introducing the lesson really quick, isn't really that big of a deal. You still get yourself on screen in 00, and then you pass it off to the presenter for the subsequent few modules. However, if you want to get into the actual modules themselves, the ones that include the presenter introducing the lesson at the very beginning, and then the over-the-shoulder video afterwards, and you want to get yourself in there instead, this is how you do it, and it's very easy, and it's all the same, regardless of whether you're using Adobe Premiere, which is what we're using now because that's the most commonly owned one, or if you're using, what is it, iMovie, Sony Vegas Film Studio, or whatever they call it. It doesn't matter what software you're using, it's all going to be almost exactly the same process, okay? It's going to be cut and paste pretty much. So I've got a video here, okay, and this is a video of me just sitting at a table talking about something totally unrelated to this course, by the way. This is just a random one that I grabbed. But ideally, that's what you would want. You would want yourself sitting at a table or standing up with a nice background of some sort and just saying the exact same thing that these presenters are saying for the most part. You know, hey, welcome to this lesson. We're going to discuss such and such, and now let's dive right in, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and come to the very end of their introduction. Right when the screen goes white, that exact frame, that's where you want to cut it. Okay, we're going to come over here to the razor tool, or just hit letter C on the keyboard. We're going to click right there, click on the pointer, grab that, delete, boom. Simple enough. Come over here. There's a little Adobe audio bug going on, where whenever I import this particular video, I lose my audio channels. So I'm going to turn those back on real quick. Anyway, then we've got this, and there we go. Now it's me talking at the beginning instead of the other guy. Nothing. All right, so here we are on the ad create. Make sense? Simple enough. If you wanted to, you could add a little transition there. You know, a little fade to white or fade to black or something like that instead. But a hard cut is fine for me here. All right, so here we are on the ad creation. I don't mind that at all. And once again, we have the tutorial here using just Adobe Premiere, but it's going to be the exact same process. Every single software tool that you have out there is going to have a cut function, okay, and a move and drag function, you know, and you're going to just go grab a video of yourself, okay? Don't be camera shy. Just sit down and shoot a video saying basically the same thing. Hello, welcome to lesson such and such. We're going to discuss such and such. Now let's get started. Stick that baby right here. And then you're going to render, okay? We'll come over here to File, Export, Media, and we'll render this. We'll just keep the existing 1080p resolution and export, okay? Now, since I mentioned being camera shy, we do have a camera shy option that I just want you guys to be aware of. I just want you guys to realize that there is such thing as a camera shy option. Let's say that... see if I can find a photo in my folder that I've got open here. Well, I can't, but we'll just use a still frame from here. Let's say that you've got a photo of yourself. Okay, we'll just take that one. It's not particularly the best one there is. And then we're just going to... Actually, we'll just do it here on the main screen. Okay, so that's a photo of me. I'm going to come over here, get export frame, import into project. We're going to pretend that this video is never there, okay? So now I've got a photo of myself. Get your photo however you want. I've got a photo. This is just a still photo, as you can see here. And I'm just going to drag it to here. Okay, and then just record a voiceover saying, hey guys, so-and-so here, Johnny here, Betty here, welcome to this course on such and such, in this lesson we're going to be discussing such and such, right? And then it's the exact same thing. Okay, but you've got your voice while there's a photo on screen. That's not unheard of, okay? You see that sometimes in video lessons, all right? And so if you're camera shy, that's an option that I just want you to be aware of. That's something that you could do if you wanted to.